Lithium-ion batteries are the backbone of the renewable energy revolution and are essential for powering electric vehicles. While the cost of lithium batteries has been decreasing in recent years, the manufacturing costs associated with producing them are still a significant factor. In today's video, we'll be discussing manufacturing OpEx in lithium batteries. Firstly, let's define what is meant by manufacturing OpEx. Manufacturing OpEx refers to the operational expenses incurred during the manufacturing process of lithium-ion batteries. These include expenses such as labor costs, raw materials, energy consumption, and equipment maintenance. One of the biggest expenses in lithium battery manufacturing is the cost of raw materials. The cost of raw materials such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel can fluctuate depending on supply and demand. This represents about 45 to 55% overall manufacturing OpEx, so companies and startups are looking for new chemistries which involve cheaper materials. Labor costs are another significant factor in manufacturing OpEx. The labor costs associated with manufacturing lithium-ion batteries are typically higher than those associated with traditional lead-acid batteries due to the complexity of the manufacturing process. The cost of labor can be reduced by increasing automation in the manufacturing process. Energy consumption is another factor to consider in manufacturing OpEx. The manufacturing process of lithium-ion batteries requires a significant amount of energy, from the production of the raw materials to the assembly of the batteries. Currently, 55 to 65 kilowatt-hours energy are needed to produce 1 kilowatt-hour of battery. The energy consumption in a lithium battery manufacturing plant represents up to 30% of the overall OpEx. Reducing energy consumption through the use of renewable energy sources and minimizing the number of equipment to reach same production capacity can help reduce manufacturing OpEx. Finally, equipment maintenance is another significant expense in lithium battery manufacturing. The equipment used in the manufacturing process must be maintained regularly to ensure it operates efficiently and safely. This includes the maintenance of machinery, tooling, and the battery manufacturing facility itself. So there you have it. An overview of manufacturing OpEx in lithium-ion batteries. While the cost of manufacturing lithium batteries is still relatively high, advancements in technology and manufacturing processes are helping to reduce this cost. As the demand for lithium-ion batteries continues to grow, we can expect to see further reductions in manufacturing OpEx. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more science and technology content.